कैलाश जी से। ये आईआईटी में जाना चाहते हैं, ये बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इनको बड़े कॉलेज में जाना है। बड़ा कॉलेज रहेगा तो बड़ा जॉब रहेगा, बड़ा जॉब रहेगा तो बड़ा पैसा रहेगा, और बड़ा पैसा रहेगा तो सुंदर पत्नी आएगी। बाद में बूढ़ी होगी कोई बात नहीं, समाज में नाम रोशन होगा, माँ बाप का शौहरत होगी। लेकिन तभी आप पढ़ते हैं वैकुंठ धाम से नारद मुनि।
नारायण नारायण।
Nagmuni, please accept my humble obeisance at the lotus feet.
Kailash, I have come here to take you to Vaikuntha.
Vaikunt, what is it? I have never heard of it before.
Vaikuntha is a place where there is no mercy. Vaikuntha is a place where every word is a song, every step is a dance, where Lord Vishnu himself resides. Would you like to come there?
If so, I really want to visit there.
Come, then let's go there, Kailash.
But I have one question. If I come with you, when I was able to come back here?
You will never return back, Kailash.
What are you saying, Nagmuni? My JEE main exam are in the next week. I have prepared for so long for that exam. I have prepared for 12 years for that particular exam. My parents have sent me to this coaching. And in this situation, I can't go with you. But I will assure you that I will come with you for the next time.
Alas, I will come later, Kailash.
और इस प्रकार नारद मुनि ने कैलाश को एक अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया वैकुंठ जाने का। जो वैकुंठ जाए, क्या एग्जाम, क्या जॉब, क्या प्लेसमेंट, वहां स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में हर एक चीज चिन्मय है। एवरी सिंगल थिंग इज स्पिरिचुअल, एवरीथिंग इज पर्सनालिटी। पर कैलाश ने बार्गेन कर लिया, जैसे जिसे कोई नॉलेज ना हो, चंद 2 रुपए में गोल्ड मिल रहा है तो वो क्यों वेस्ट करे 2 रुपए को। कैलाश ने ऐसा अपने इग्नोरेंस पे कर लिया। लेकिन नारद मुनि तो नारद मुनि हैं, उनकी कृपा हर जीवों पे वापस आती है। अब कैलाश अपने अच्छे कॉलेज में पहुंच चुके हैं, वो फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट हैं आईआईटी जेईई क्रैक करने के बाद। अब वो प्लेसमेंट की तैयारी कर रहे हैं अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज के लिए।
Kailash, I suppose you have cracked your JEE exam now. I am here to remind you your promise. Will you come with me to Vaikuntha?
Please accept my humble obeisance. By your mercy, I am able to crack the JEE main exam with a good rank. I have cracked so much, so I get a good college MNIT Allahabad and got admitted in Dream branch CSE. I have already started coding from 4 years. Now you know my course rank is what? My rank is AIL 2.
Oh, your wishes are fulfilled. So would you like to come with me to Vaikuntha now?
Narad Muni, what are you saying? I have just said 4 years. I have just started the coding. It's my time to get the package of crores. The company is getting in the colleges. Now I have to prepare for them. I can't come with you again. I will sorry for that. But I will come with you for the next time.
I will come back later, Kailash. I will come back.
गोलमाल है भाई, सब गोलमाल है।
कैलाश बेचारा 2 साल जेईई के लिए पढ़ा, 4 साल कंपनी के लिए पढ़ा, अब क्या करेगा पता नहीं। कैलाश ने बहुत मेहनत करके गूगल में प्लेसमेंट ले ली। प्लेसमेंट के बाद उसने अपना स्टार्टअप खोला। स्टार्टअप के बाद उसके कुछ प्लान्स हैं। इट सीम्स हिज एम्बिशन no bounds, only his no dollar and pounds. Let's see what Kailash is doing now.
Hey guys, make some noise! Woohoo! आपको पता है क्या? मेरे सारे बड़े सपने पूरे हो गए हैं। अब मेरे पास सब कुछ है, पैसा है, मकान है, दौलत है, माँ है, चुन्नू है। क्या आपको पता है? मेरे पास माँ भी है। अब मेरे सारे सपने पूरे हो गए। अब मेरा एक ही एम्बिशन है, पैसा कमाना। पैसे कमा के पैसे का ढेर लगा देना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने स्टार्टअप खोला। मनी वेल, बात कराना भैया, सबसे बड़ा रुपया। I have recently won 10 small startup worth 100 crores. हर तरफ होगा हमारा ही राज, मुट्ठी में होगा कॉर्पोरेट समाज, ऐसा कदम उठाएंगे आज। But I have an acute problem that our empire is only increasing in AP. I want to make it increase in GP.
Papa, what is AP? What is GP? AB means Azri progression. GB means Ghor Azri progression.
I also need that our Chunnu will be future CEO of our such a big empire. I need to make plans for the Chunnu. I made plan like Chunnu will go to the Harvard University and he will be an MBA from Harvard. Imagine, he will be the CEO of such a big empire as well as an MBA from Harvard University.
Kailash, I see you seem a little tense. What happened to you, Kailash?
मुनिवर क्या बताऊं, जिंदगी है समस्याओं से ग्रस्त, जहां हाथ मारो हड्डी पसली हो जाती है पस्त। बाहर से स्माइलिंग फेस है, अंदर से क्राइंग हार्ट, वर्किंग हार्ड इन वेन, बैंक बैलेंस देयर इज नो गेन, बियरिंग पेन अगेन एंड अगेन।
Kailash, an idea can change your life.
उसका तो रेंज ही नहीं आता इधर।
Last time I told you to chant, chant and chant. So what's your realization?
Can't.
So this time I will give you a shortcut formula. No pain but infinite gain.
जी प्रभु आज्ञा दीजिए।
आओ चले वैकुंठ की ओर, जीवन की समस्त समस्याओं का यही है चूक तोड़। You can meet Lord Vishnu face to face.
ये भगवान स्काइप पे नहीं आते हैं क्या?
You can meet Lord Vishnu face to face. Come, let's go there.
I definitely come. What can I say? Responsibility to Chunnu is blocking my way. Let me give him a good education and a good empire. Not put all my plans and dreams on a funeral fire. If I can't say no, I will say later. I will make sure come with you again at the last time.
Alas, Kailash.
But I have one question.
Do you want to know something about the Supreme Personality of Godhead?
No, about my Chunnu's future. Will he get admitted to Harvard?
Narayan, Narayan.
गोलमाल है भाई सब गोलमाल है।
And so Kailash goes on like this, expanding his empire, expanding his tension and anxiety. Year pass by, Kailash has come to fake end of his life now. He is hard of hearing. He is not able to walk properly.
Betty, can I get a glass of water? I did not find them here.
Oh, this old man. Since the time he has become deaf and blind, he is talking us like anything. पता नहीं कितना कम बोलेगा।
My dear son, what is our monthly expenditure this month?
Why do you care about this business? Just go and do your work in a corner. If you want, I'll arrange a pilgrimage for you. Why are you getting so tensed?
You know our empire money well is growing so much nowadays. So we can buy some new apartments and sell them at double cost to increase the profit.
Arey, you'll never change, Papa. You'll never change.
Not empire.
Narayan, Narayan. Kailash, so how are you and your family?
Radmuni, by your mercy, I have got my son has apart from the Harvard University. He is admitted. I am married him in a good family. Now he is taking care of our empire. He is growing our empire in the artificial intelligence sector. But only require your blessings.
So, responsibilities are finished. Would you like to join me in Vaikuntha?
Definitely. But what about my duty? Who can give us the modern beauty? Chartered plane, mansion in Manhattan Lane, डॉलर्स की भरमार, ऐसा स्टेटस क्यों तो होना चाहिए यार।
अन्नं ग्रन्थं फलितं पुण्यं दस्विना जातं तुण्डं वरदो वाकित्वा दण्डं तदपि न मुञ्चति साधनं।
my ambitions are not yet set. Some plans to be executed fatafat. You are the God of mercy profound. Your powers know no bound. मुनिवर मेरी लाइफ डिजर्व कर दीजिए 10 साल एक्सटेंड. Nothing in this creation you can't bend. After that I will do whatever you say. But only let me for some time more play. कृपा कृपा मुनिवर बस 10 साल की कृपा कृपा कृपा.
You are not in a position to understand anything now, Kailash. Narayan, Narayan.
In this way, Kailash spent whole life just identifying himself with his body, without even inquiring about his identity and matter related to God. People won't live a king size, but they die pauper size, are born dog size.
Kailash, where are you, Kailash? Can I meet Kailash? Kailash, where are you?
No, that old fellow is no more to trouble us. He dead long ago.
Kailash, I can hear some dog sounds. Have you started some dog business?
Muniver, that's my misfortune. Bow, bow. Before I start the dog accessories, my life to an end. Bow.
So where are you, Kailash? Where are you?
Muniver, you can't find me. I'm class. Bow.
Oh, you got a dog's body. Such a miserable plight. But I have a great deal for you, Kailash.
What is that? Oh.
I can take you to Vaikuntha just now.
Muniver, as soon as I have left, everywhere there is theft. Muniver, as soon as I have left, everywhere there is theft. Now my tools to influence are not the same. Now my tools to influence are not the same. Wow, wow. In this dog world also, I have to work hard to establish my fame. Our money is at stake. Let some responsible steps to be taken undertake. Our empire still I will protect. I would not allow my sons my property dissect. Nobody can take my fame. Nobody can defeat me in this success game. Wow. I will come with you for the next time sure. I have to defeat the enemies who are taking my empire down.
Alas, Kailash, I will come back later. Narayan, Narayan.
Kailash, attachment to his family, did not leave, and as a dog body he died and got a snake body.
I am going to Vaikuntha now to meet the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the pleasure giver to all living entities, who is the father of all living entities, who is such an eternal father and gives love to the devotees. Oh, I remember one force for Kailash, who is so ignorant to his eternal self, who is so attached to his material duties. Kailash, where are you? Where's that dog? Oh Kailash, you got a snake's body. What are you doing in a snake's body? What are you mourning? Why are you mourning?
My grandsons are taming a porcupine. Every time it bites me, finds me severally. I am their grandfather. They could have tamed me.
Kailash, don't be so attached. I have come here to take you to Vaikuntha. Kailash, come with me.
As you like, my sons, my grandsons are little wiser. They have deposited all the money in the banks, and there is no threat to the thieves. But however, they are so lazy that they wake up late in the morning. By that time, all the grains in the paddy fields are either taken by the neighbors or by the elephants. That's why I have given the snake's body to go round and round to the paddy fields to protect that. I am very busy. I can't come with you either.
Kailash, whatever relations you are desiring, you can relish that with the supreme personality of God and in the spiritual world. Don't be so attached to all this. So you have two choices: either leave it or I will leave you. Now I should go for lathi charge only. Any other means would not work for this fool. Hello, there is a snake over here. Please help. Hello, somebody help. There is a snake over here.
Don't beat me, you fully once and with grandfathers. Munivar, what can I do?
Hare Krishna Mahamantra will elevate you.
Kailash died before a great devotee of Lord Krishna. Remembering Narad Muni and his next life become a great devotee. Went back and got head. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
So, did you all like the drama?